Hello friends, down here, welcome. So in this video I'm going to work with the delete. We have here the edit. We can edit this post. So we have here the first post and let's go and see this one. I'm going to say edit this one and change that to be a second post. And also here I'm going to select this and say second post content. Okay, if I say update, we have here second post and second post content. But when we navigate the show page, we have the title and the content. We have this edit button right here. I'm going to add also another button and to delete this post. Okay, so let's do that. Let's open the VS Code and in the show page we have this link for the edit. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this and let's add another div here with the class the bflex and not justify center, but I'm to say justify between, and then paste this link and I'm going to add another one, and let's close this div now. Okay, if I save and see, we have two edits. Just change this to be delete, and now we have the delete. Also, I'm going to change the color for the delete to be red. And yeah, now we have edit and delete. Now just in case, if I change on dark mode, we have something like this. Yeah, we need to change this body here, which is this one. We have BG slate, but on the dark mode, I'm going to say BG to be slate maybe 700. And also the text on the dark mode is going to change. So let's say on dark mode, the title is going to be text indigo and maybe 400. Also the content on the dark mode is going to be text gray, let's say 400. Save, come here, and yeah, now we have something like this. Okay, now let's work with this delete. We have this href post is going to be not edit, but it's going to be destroy, because if I open the route list, here we have the delete post slash, passing the post here, the name is post.destroy and the controller is destroy. So come here, we have this destroy method, and we can do something like this. We can say post, which is injected here, delete and return the post index. But this is not going to work because here we have a link and we need to submit a form to delete, not just click on the link. So let's just show you. If I come here and refresh, click delete, nothing is going to happen. Now instead of something like this, let's make this a form with a button. So I'm going to change this to be a button. And the button is going to be type submit. Okay. Then I'm going to cut this and add the form with the action to be route post.destroy, passing the post ID, adding the CSRF token, and also the method. We need to override that to be a delete method, not post. And then I'm going to add the button and let's close the form. Save, come here, refresh. Now we are in a second post. If I click delete, we are redirected back the post index page and we have only the first post and this post here. If I click here and delete also this one, we are redirected back and we have only the first post. Let's create another post and I'm going to say testing and also testing here, store. Yeah, the content field must be at least 10 characters. So let's say testing and something else here. Let's say store. Now I'm going to delete this testing, say delete, and we are redirected back. Okay, friends, that's it what I wanted to show you in this video, but for example, anyone who can visit this website can edit and delete the post, and we don't want that. So in the next video, we are going to start and work with the authentication. Okay, so see you there. And if you like such a videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, and see you in the next one. All the best.